Coffee for me.
There's your coffee.
Where are we going today? Liverpool.
Goodison Park. Going to Goodison Park, see what's kicking off.
Yes.
To be banging, even though they lost last night. But we're going to say goodbye to the old lady, because Goodison Park on Gladys Street. It's going to be knocked down to make way for housing and recreation. But they built a fantastic new stadium at Bramley-Moor Dock, which has had a couple of test matches with the under-21s second team, and it looks amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Can't wait to see it. So here we are sat at Chesterfield train station, waiting for our train to Liverpool.
Yay!
See you there. Station, Anne's looking out for a table seat, see if people get off.
Got my eyes peeled.
Caffeine hit of the day. Here we are, Lime Street Station.
Nice weather.
Liverpool, yeah.
Well, I'm just gonna wait here and I'll just wait to see if that angles.
What the hell's that?
So you just painted it yellow. Right, please.
Oh, we're going to get a bus. 20 or 21, weren't it? But
Yeah.
we'll get a taxi instead.
They're a bit tight. I want to go and shop first. Buy my scarf and lunchbox.
Got one.
Got one.
There we are.
Yay!
Yay!
picture.
I will do. Hang on. The People's Pub.
Neville Southall.
Oh,
Wales #1. Our favourite player. Don't mess with him.
okay.
Yeah, he's great. Good at headers, good at knocking people over. It's a bit rough. There's a few famous sort of things on YouTube.
Okay.
Tackling people. Yes.
Very good.
Indiscriminate Scottish guy. I think he's in management now. Actually, he was sort of like junior coach kind of thing. Yes.
Okay.
But yeah, cool.
Excellent. Right, off to the shop.
Yeah.
Buy your scarf and your lunchbox.
Yes.
Yeah. See what's kicking off in here?
Yeah.
Volleyballs.
I've never seen that.
There we go.
A retro mug. This is from 90s. Who our sponsor. And lunchbox. Good for your drink.
I know, very good. 13, like.
Very nice. You're all settled now.
Come on, toughies! Here we go! That's it. Take your time, everyone, take your time.
Food time. Lunch menu, 2 courses for £14.95.
Okay.
At Arcaisa, Liverpool. Got to have some keto stuff. No bread, no chips, no rice. I shall have a bit of rice.
No.
Let's not then. Okay, let's. I'm going to go for 2 courses.
Yes. Yeah.
What you fancy? Halloumi sticks?
Real one.
And cheese.
Yep. Yum yum.
Yeah. Is this as good as our farm?
There we are.
Great, thank you very much. That's lovely. It's a bit of a walk.
Is it?
Yeah.
Great day. Yes. Yeah, I'm just going out of Sheffield. On my way to Chesterfield. Back in Chesterfield.
Back home. Where's the spire, dear?
Spire. Spire.
Good day was had by all.
You want it?
Yeah.
Great.
Great fun. Tiring though.
Yeah.
It's been a long day.
All right.